How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can factory reset and format the SD card for your Akaso EK7000 4K, which is going to be this specific camera right here, or this camera that we have. So in order to do this, basically the first thing that you want to do is to press the mode button for at least 4 times, and then you want to press the shutter button that will then look something like this. After pressing the mode button 4 times, it will take you to the camera setting. To enter, you want to press on the shutter button, which is going to be this one. And now we are inside setting. You just want to go ahead and use these arrow keys. Press the down button until you go ahead and see the format button. In here, we also have our factory reset. But if you only want to format your SD card, just select format. Once again, you could scroll up and down in order to confirm it with the yes button. Now you could press the shutter button in order to confirm your functions or your actions. And so from there, you have successfully factory resetted or format the SD card for your Akaso EK7000 camera. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.